Hi there, guys and girls. Good afternoon to every one of you. Let's have some late snacks. I have here 2 slices of pepperoni pizza and a garlic bread, and there's also a small piece of Thai part chicken and 3 slices of potatoes, fried potatoes, and I have here spaghetti with, I forgot this green one, not a basil, parsley, and there's a gravy in here. So come on in here, be the first one to taste, be the first one to bite. Open your mouth, come on, don't be shy. Love it, love it. How about this one? Come on, love it, love it. I'm so hungry.